Welcome to Lento English, ready to level up your English. Here we learn through stories, slow, clear, and fun. Listen, relax, and enjoy the journey.
One introduction. Your brain is a truly amazing and important part of your body. It is like the main control center for everything you do and feel. Your brain helps you to think clearly, to learn new things, and to remember important information. It also controls your feelings, like when you are happy or sad. Even when you move your arms and legs, or when you talk, your brain is always in charge. There are also many important things your brain controls that you do not even think about. For example, your heart beats regularly because your brain tells it to. Your food digests properly because your brain sends signals. All these vital jobs happen constantly because of your brain. Your brain is always busy and active. It works all the time, every second of every day, even when you are sleeping. Because it is always working so hard, your brain needs a lot of energy. Think of it like a car. A car needs fuel like gasoline to run and move. Without the right fuel, a car cannot go anywhere or do its job. In the same way, your brain needs good fuel to work well and do all its many jobs. This important fuel comes from the food you eat every day. Not all foods give your brain the same kind of energy. Some foods are much better than others for helping your brain stay strong, healthy, and alert. These special foods are often called power foods or brain foods because they give your brain the best kind of fuel it needs. When your brain gets good fuel, you can focus better in school, you can understand new ideas more easily, and you can feel more energetic throughout the day. Choosing these foods can make a big difference in how well your brain performs. In the chapters that follow, we will explore different types of foods that can help your brain work at its very best. We will discover which foods are like super fuel for your brain. You will learn simple ways to include these brain-friendly foods in your daily meals and snacks. Eating these foods can help you to be smarter, to remember more, and to feel good and strong every day. Let us begin our journey to understand how the right food can make your amazing brain even better and help you shine. 2. Water is good for your brain. Your brain is an amazing part of your body. It helps you to do many things every day. Did you know that your brain needs a lot of water to work well? It is true. A very large part of your brain is water. Almost all of your brain, about 85%, is made of water. This shows how important water is for your brain. When your brain has enough water, it can work better. You might find that you can think more clearly. It helps you to focus on your schoolwork or on a game. When you are well hydrated, your brain can process information faster. This means you might understand things more quickly. It can also help you to react faster when you are playing sports or doing other activities. Staying hydrated can even help you do more than one thing at a time, like listening to a teacher and writing notes. On the other hand, if you do not drink enough water, your brain might not work as well. This is called being dehydrated. Even a little bit of dehydration can make a difference. You might find it hard to remember new things. It can be difficult to pay attention in class or when you are reading a book. Sometimes, your brain can feel a bit foggy when it does not have enough water. This is why it is very important to drink water often. So, how can you make sure you drink enough water every day? It is a good idea to drink water regularly, not just when you feel thirsty. You can carry a water bottle with you. Take sips of water throughout the day. For younger children up to 8 years old, it is good to drink at least 4 or 5 cups of water each day. For older children who are more than 8 years old, the goal should be to drink 6 to 8 cups of water daily. Remember, water is like fuel for your brain. Just as a car needs gasoline to run, your brain needs water to think, learn, and remember well. Making sure you drink enough water is an easy way to help your brain be healthy and strong. So next time you are thirsty, choose water. Your brain will thank you for it. 3. Healthy fats for your brain. Not all fats are bad for you. In fact, some fats are very good and important for your brain. These special fats are called omega-3 fatty acids. Your brain needs them to be healthy and to work properly every single day. Without these good fats, your brain cannot work at its best. Did you know that a large part of your brain is made of fat? About 2/3 of your brain is fat. A very important part of this fat is a type of omega-3 called DHA. These fats are like the building blocks for your brain cells. They help make sure your brain cells are strong and work well. Think of them as helping to build a good structure for your brain. Most importantly, omega-3 fats help your brain cells communicate with each other. Imagine your brain cells are like tiny messengers inside your head. Omega-3 fats help these messengers send their important messages clearly and quickly from one part of the brain to another. This good communication is key for everything your brain does, from thinking to feeling and even moving. When your brain cells can talk to each other easily, you can think more clearly, learn new things faster, and remember information better. These healthy fats help your brain send signals that control your thoughts, your ability to focus, and how you react to things around you. Getting enough omega-3 fatty acids helps your brain stay sharp and active. You can find these healthy fats in many different foods. One excellent source is fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are full of omega-3 fatty acids. Eating fish a few times a week can give your brain a great supply of the fats it needs. These fish are easy to cook and can be a tasty part of your meals, whether baked or grilled. If you do not eat fish, there are still many other ways to get these good fats. Walnuts are a very good choice. You can eat them as a snack, add them to your breakfast cereal, or put them in a salad for extra crunch and goodness. Small seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds are also packed with omega-3 fats. You can put chia seeds in your yogurt, mix flax seeds into your oatmeal, or even add them to smoothies to boost their brain-healthy power. These plant-based options are great for everyone. Eating foods that have omega-3 fatty acids can really help your learning. It can make it easier to understand new ideas in school or at home. These fats also help your memory. You might find it easier to remember facts for a test, recall what you did yesterday, or remember new names and faces. Including these healthy fats in your diet every day is a simple step to help your brain stay strong, active, and focused. They are truly power foods for your brain, helping it to be happy and work at its very best for all your daily tasks. 4. Why you should eat berries. Berries are small, tasty fruits that are very good for your brain. You probably know some of them, like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These colorful fruits are not just delicious, they are also powerful food for your mind. Many people enjoy their sweet and sometimes tart taste, making them a popular choice for snacks. One important reason berries are so good for your brain is because they have many special things called antioxidants. Imagine your brain cells are like tiny, important workers in your head. Sometimes, these workers can get tired or damaged by things around them. Antioxidants are like little shields or protectors for these brain cells. They help keep your brain cells safe and healthy, stopping damage before it starts. This protection helps your brain work well every single day, keeping it strong and active. Among these antioxidants, there is a special type called flavonoids. Flavonoids are what give berries their bright and beautiful colors. Think about the deep red of a strawberry or the rich blue of a blueberry. Those vibrant colors come from flavonoids. These powerful flavonoids do more than just make berries pretty. They also help your brain cells talk to each other better. When brain cells communicate well, your brain can process information more quickly and efficiently. This smooth communication is key for clear thinking, problem solving, and learning new things. Eating berries regularly can also help improve your memory. This means you might find it easier to remember new things, like facts for school tests or the names of new friends. Berries can also help you pay attention better. So if you are trying to focus on a book, a game, or a lesson, eating berries might give your brain a helpful boost. Some people notice that their ability to remember and concentrate improves when they include more berries in their diet. It's like giving your brain a helpful push to be more alert. It is easy to add berries to your daily food. You can eat them fresh as a quick and healthy snack, or put them on top of your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. Berries are also great mixed into plain yogurt for a creamy treat. If you like smoothies, frozen berries are perfect. Just blend them with a little water, milk, or a banana for a quick and healthy drink that is packed with brain power. Eating berries often is a simple and tasty way to support your brain's health. They provide important nutrients that help your brain stay strong, active, and sharp. So next time you are looking for a sweet and healthy choice, choose some colorful berries. Your brain will be happy you did. 5. Eat your green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are very good for your brain. They are powerful foods that can help your brain stay healthy and work well. Think about vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These green foods are packed with many important things your brain needs every day. They are full of many different vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are like tiny helpers for your brain. They work hard to protect your brain cells from damage. Your brain cells are very important because they help you think, learn, and remember everything. When these cells are protected and healthy, your brain can work much better and more efficiently. This protection helps your brain to perform its many tasks without problems. One special nutrient found in green vegetables is called folate. Folate is very important for a healthy brain, especially for its development. It helps with the growth and repair of brain cells. So, eating foods that have folate helps your brain grow strong and stay healthy throughout your life. It ensures that your brain's structure is well maintained. Eating leafy greens can also help your memory. Many studies have shown that people who eat these vegetables often have better memory skills. It can help your memory stay sharp as you get older, which is a great benefit. For example, If you eat green vegetables every day, your thinking skills might stay strong for a longer time. This means it might be easier to remember names, facts from school, or what you need to do later in the day. It helps you recall information more easily. It is easy to add green vegetables to your daily meals. You can put fresh spinach leaves in your sandwich or add them to a simple salad. You can blend kale into a fruit smoothie for a healthy drink. Broccoli can be a delicious and nutritious side dish for dinner, or you can add it to stir fries. Even a small amount of these green vegetables each day can make a big difference for your brain's health. When your brain gets these important nutrients from green vegetables, it can feel stronger and more energetic. You might find it easier to focus in class or at home when you are doing your homework. Learning new things might also become simpler. Your memory might improve, helping you remember more. So remember to eat your green vegetables often. They are truly a superfood for your amazing brain. They help to keep it protected, sharp, and working at its very best every single day. 6 good grains give you energy. Your brain is always busy. It works hard even when you are sleeping. Because it works so hard, it needs a lot of energy, but it does not just need any energy, it needs a steady supply of energy. Imagine a light bulb. You want it to stay bright all the time. Your brain is similar. It works best with a constant, even flow of energy throughout the day. This is where good grains, called whole grains, come in. Whole grains are a very good source of energy for your brain. They help your brain work well all day long. What are whole grains? They are foods like oatmeal for breakfast, brown bread for sandwiches, and brown rice for meals. Quinoa is also a whole grain. These foods are good because they contain all parts of the grain, including the outer layer and the inner germ. This means they have many important nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Refined grains like white bread have had some parts removed, taking away good nutrients. The special thing about whole grains is how they give your body energy. They do not give you energy all at once. Instead, they release energy slowly and steadily into your body. Think of it like a slow, constant stream of water, not a sudden big splash. This slow and steady release is very important for your brain. When energy is released slowly, it helps to keep the sugar in your blood at a good, steady level. This is called stable blood sugar. Your brain likes stable blood sugar. When your blood sugar is steady, your brain gets the energy it needs without big ups and downs. This steady energy helps you to concentrate better. You can focus on schoolwork, a game, or a book for a longer time. It can also make you feel better emotionally. A steady supply of energy can help improve your mood, making you feel happier and more positive. You might feel less tired and more ready to learn new things. Now, let's think about other kinds of foods like sugary snacks or drinks. These foods, such as candies or sweet sodas, give you energy very fast. You might feel a quick burst of energy right after eating them. But this energy does not last long. After a short time, your energy goes down quickly. This is often called a sugar crash. This crash is not good for your brain's ability to focus. When your energy goes up and down fast, it is hard for your brain to concentrate. You might feel sleepy, grumpy, or even a bit shaky. It can make it difficult to think clearly. So for your brain to work its best every day, choose whole grains often. They give your brain the slow, steady energy it needs to function well. This helps you to think clearly, stay focused on your tasks, and feel good throughout your day. Eating whole grains is a smart and healthy choice for a strong, energetic brain. 7. Beans are brain food. Beans and legumes are very good foods for your brain. You might know them as lentils, chickpeas, or different kinds of beans. These foods are excellent for helping your brain work well every day. They are like small powerhouses for your body and your mind. One important thing about beans and legumes is that they have many good nutrients. They are full of B vitamins. B vitamins are very important for your brain's health. They help your brain cells do their jobs. These vitamins help make energy for your brain and help your brain send messages. Eating beans helps give your brain these important building blocks it needs to function properly. Beans also give your brain a steady supply of energy. Think about your brain needing fuel just like a car. If a car gets fuel slowly and steadily, it runs smoothly. Beans help your brain get energy slowly over time. This is different from sugary foods. Sugary foods give you a lot of energy very fast, but then you feel tired quickly. Beans make sure your brain has energy for a longer time. This steady energy comes from how beans help your body manage blood sugar. Blood sugar is the sugar in your blood that gives you energy. When you eat beans, your blood sugar stays at a good, even level. It does not go up and down quickly. When your blood sugar is stable, your brain works better. You can focus more easily on tasks like reading or doing homework. You can think clearly and remember things better throughout the day. Also, stable blood sugar helps with your mood. Have you ever felt grumpy or tired when you are very hungry? This can happen when your blood sugar changes fast. When your blood sugar is stable because you eat foods like beans, your mood can stay more stable too. You might feel calmer and happier. It helps you to feel good and not get upset easily. So, adding beans and legumes to your meals is a smart choice for your brain. You can put them in soups, salads, or main dishes. They are tasty and good for you. They help your brain get the vitamins it needs, give it steady energy, and keep your blood sugar and mood stable. Eating beans regularly is a simple way to help your brain be brilliant. Try different kinds like black beans, kidney beans, or lentils to get many different nutrients. They are an easy way to feed your brain well. 8. A sweet treat for your brain. Many people enjoy a sweet treat now and then. You might be happy to know that one type of sweet treat can also be good for your brain. This special treat is dark chocolate. However, it is very important to remember that dark chocolate should only be eaten in small amounts. It is a special food for your brain, meant to be enjoyed occasionally, not something to eat a lot of every single day. Dark chocolate has special things inside it called flavonoids. Flavonoids are a type of antioxidant. Antioxidants are helpful because they work to protect your body's cells from damage. This includes the many important cells that make up your brain. The flavonoids found in dark chocolate do something very important for your brain's health. They help to make blood flow better to your brain. Imagine your brain needs a constant supply of energy and nutrients. Blood carries these vital things. When more blood can flow easily to your brain, it means your brain cells get more of what they need to work well. When more blood goes to your brain can work better in several ways. For example, improved blood flow can help you pay more attention. This means you can focus more easily on tasks at school or when playing a game. It can also help you learn new information more effectively. When your brain gets enough blood, it is more ready to take in and process new knowledge. Another great benefit is for your memory. Better blood flow helps your brain remember things more clearly and quickly. Some studies even suggest that the special things in dark chocolate can help to improve your mood, making you feel a bit happier or more relaxed. To get these good benefits for your brain, it is important to choose the right kind of dark chocolate. Look for dark chocolate that has a high percentage of cocoa. This means it has more of the beneficial parts like the flavonoids and less sugar. A good choice would be dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or more. Remember, even though it has benefits, dark chocolate still contains a lot of calories and some sugar. So it is always best to enjoy it as a small, occasional treat. It is a delicious way to give your brain a little boost.